Farm animal welfare research has largely focused on reducing suffering. But does that give animals a life worth living? How would it be for farm animals to have positive welfare? LIFT, Laying the Foundations of Positive Animal Welfare, is a European research network that aims to increase the understanding of positive animal welfare in farm animals. Researchers and stakeholders are working together to define positive animal welfare, identify methods to assess it, and suggest potential indicators that can be used on farms.
What is positive animal welfare?
That's what we need to find out. Together, we need to define the key concepts of positive animal welfare and find out what information is most important.
But how can we know if animals are having positive welfare?
We also aim to identify methods to assess positive animal welfare, to know what indicators can best be measured.
And how can positive animal welfare be implemented in practice?
Once we know how to best assess it, we will list indicators of positive animal welfare that can be used on farms.
LIFT is a European research network that aims to increase the understanding of positive animal welfare in farm animals.